Hi nspire users, here's another way to make a box plot from table data. Remember in class we talked about making a third list with the frequency table. Well, here's a different way. Here's our data on bolts and the frequency. Now, like you normally would, go to Home, create a new graph, and you're going to click on your variable at the bottom and choose bolts. Okay, and we can even go into the menu, choose our plot type to be a box plot, but this only makes a box plot for that first list. To add the frequency to it, go back to menu, go to plot properties, and now down to add Y summary. And the minute you do this, this menu pops up. Remember I had called the frequency list frequency, and the minute you click on that, it makes a box plot based on that table data. So that's a second way to make a box plot based on a frequency table.